metro. It is new. The Modi ji have go in started this train, so that's why.
So we have come here and the train is about to come in 2 minutes here. So we are just waiting for the train. We'll board the train as soon as it's arrives. So Bhavesh is really excited to board the train.
Yeah.
And he is looking forward for it. And we will board the train from Ghaziabad station and we'll go till Duhai. And from Duhai we'll take our return ticket and then we will come back. So it is still showing 2 minutes. Bhavesh is really excited to board the train. So the arrival time is now 1 minute.
So guys,
so it can come any point of time.
So really so fast. And it is 2 minutes. The train is very fast. Okay.
Bhavesh is really excited to board the train. We are just waiting for the door to open over here. It is finally stopped at the station. Here it opens. We will board the train now. And this is awesome. Bhavesh is boarded on the seat.
बहुत अच्छा है guys.
This is Bhavesh's mom. She is also very happy today. And all the best guys. Happy journey.
So guys, we have boarded in the train and train has started to go. Okay guys, so we are moving from here. Look this.
Station,
Wow, this is awesome. You can see so many people have boarded on the train here. This is the front side.
यात्री इस सुविधा का लाभ उठा सकते हैं।